Hi guys and welcome to Romania!
And today, everyday holiday is going underground
To Buoy Cave!
with a speleologist from the Nouveautect Speleology Club from Timisoara. The Buoy Cave is, with its 7.5 km, the biggest cave in Banat, the picturesque region in southwestern Romania, near the border with Serbia. Here we have the leader. Santa Claus is coming.
Santa Claus is coming. Finally, I did it with my helmet.
First impression.
No impression.
It's just another cave. Let's do it and go home. And afterwards, maybe we can buy something nice, a purse or something.
Look.
Oh, I'm blind. Even if the cavern is not closed with gates, please do not visit it on your own. It can be potentially dangerous to unexperienced tourists. There are a lot of speleological clubs in Romania who are ready to assist you in visiting this cave. We are here today with our colleagues from Nouveautect, a newly founded speleological organization from Timisoara. Are you cold?
Yes.
She thinks she can save her fingernails. I think no chance.
I want to save them all.
No chance. Walk in the park.
The Buoy Cave is the creation of the small river with the same name, which penetrates a limestone mountain. The underground river follows the 2.7 km long main gallery, which can be accessed through 3 entrances. We are entering through the exit of the underground river and will visit only the most spectacular last third of the cave. In order to visit this cave, you will need a wetsuit and a boat. The air temperature doesn't exceed 10 degrees Celsius and the water is very cold. Welcome to an amazing underground adventure park where you have to climb, duck, crawl and swim. That's better than kangaroo jumps, that's better than Zumba, that's better than everything you girls are doing to stay in shape. I know that sounds silly, but she's all wet now. There are some big obstacles on your way, and the first one is so-called Cascada Mică, or small waterfall. You have to jump! We're leaving the river in order to see the most amazing section of the cave, the Vasilesencu Gallery with a bear's hole. The area is a natural monument and is under protection by law.
If I am the Santa Claus, the underground Santa Claus, then this is the underground Christmas tree. Look, it's like a pine tree, only it's completely out of stone. So we had the water drops falling from up there, from the ceiling of the cave, with very, very high pressure and, you know, splattering around like, I don't know, like try with pouring some water from a tin can in a saucer.
Bones of the extinct cave bear are all over the place. Scientists say that the cave bear became extinct about 25,000 years ago during the last glacial maximum.
A cave bear cemetery here. We suppose they had once an entrance, which is now an upper cave situated here, and plenty of bones because they used to retire here when they felt it's their time to die. They just retire here in the cave for that.
Another eye-catcher is the Haystack, a huge limestone stalagmitic formation arguably considered to be the biggest of its kind in Romania.
This stalagmitic formation here actually is very special. It's telling us about a part of the history of this cave. All those horizontal portions here are showing us that sometime during the millenniums there was a big lake in this portion of the cave here. The water which we can hear falling down there somewhere actually was here.
The view is so extraordinary that even our drone was lost in admiration and could not find the best settings for low light.
Oh, you found magnets inside the cave.
It's healthy food, it's not like
Okay. Okay.
Well, kind of.
Chocolate bar.
Healthy nutrition.
Low carb chocolate bar.
This is a tasty burger.
Okay.
From the fossil gallery back to the underground river, you are being put to test as a climber, or you can just slide down a rock slide toboggan.
I think he thinks I'm a little bit smaller than I am in fact. Hold yourself in your hands. Okay. And here, over this rock.
Oh, just one more thing to end the debate. Stalactites are pointed pendants hanging from the cave ceiling from which they grow. And stalagmites are the ground-up counterparts of stalactites, often blunt mounds.
So it's the exit. Look, it's the exit. It's grass. Okay, it's really night outside. Everybody, yay! No.
It's already night when we are leaving the cave through its second entrance.
We've done it. The Buoy Cave.
finally.
How was it? Thank you, guys. Thank you for supporting us.